Shit. This one's solid.
Light on or off?
I was going to say light's probably on, but
You guys tell me. Shit. This one's solid. Oh, it's a big one and I'm stuck on the weed here. Get
homegrown talent on the local.
Oh, I hope this fucking. Oh, they just got him. Oh no. If he kicks off, oh fuck. Got it. I'll tell you just in. Can't see shit on this thing. Oh yeah, fucking nice. Woo. This is fucking on or what? Yeah, it is. It just won't show you anything. Look at that, just in.
Fucking hell, you're lucky.
Hang on, I'll come back a bit. Oh, hang on. Fucking Jesus. Righto. Hang on. Oh, it's heavy. Go. It's not ready yet, so it's still kicking. Yeah. It's not ready, so come to the back of the boat. So it's not. Yep, keep it down. Yep. It's big. Now, come over to the right, Yep. Perfect. Come with it, come up. Walk. Yep, nice. So it's not ready, he's just. Yep. Left. Yep. So go with its head. Yep. Now, no unwanted pressure. Just easy. Yep. Come down here. Yep. That's it. It's firing out. Yep. No, you're good. It's starting. Yep. It's sort of not quite yet. So out wide. He's trying to go under the boat. Okay. Rod tip down. Nice. Oh, this is bigger than mine. Turn him. Yep, turn him. That is in that way. Yep, now gentle. Yeah, oh, this is big. Right up front. Don't let it touch the electric motor. That's it. Not yet. Okay. Oh.
Well done.
All right.
Well done.
Ready? Well over a metre. Fucking massive.
Fucking rip. The tail, 130.
That's fucking massive. That is massive.
Camera.
Can you see that, Jace? Right up against the chest. Holy shit. Oh, that thing's fucking massive, mate. Have a fucking go. That's so good. Oh, that is sick. I love it. I love it. All right.
Alright,
Oh,
you're
you. Oh,
He did.
Well done.
that's fucking massive.
That is huge.